A Blessing by Rabbi Heather Miller. We pause now for moments of memory for those who came before us, the ones who personally stood up and were counted, and who thus made a difference for all of us today. We remember you, whether by combating an ugly word against another, or through the personal act of coming out, whether by challenging the system or by changing it from within, whether by actively sharing your ideas with broad audiences or by quietly affecting individuals one at a time, whether by looking outward to help others understand us, or by looking within to help make ours a better community. Through all of these courageous actions and so many more, every time you brought us forward. Even under the pressures of physical pain and torture, of economic devastation or political failure, of social estrangement, or even worse, you braved it all. Each of you adding in your essence, your talented endeavors and elegant movements, your clever words and dignified existence, your dedicated heart and focused mind, your infectious smile and quirky ways. For in all, your persevering spirit brought others forward behind you and moved us all a little closer to a world that more fully celebrates love. Your contributions are remembered. You are remembered. And your memory is forever a blessing.